Jim Averill here, Axtile Mountain Construction and Gunnison Sheet Metal. Today I'm going to be walking you through drip edge. It's important that you have a quality supplier that has multiple CNCs, such as Gunnison Sheet Metal. First step here on the CNC brake is first off we get our 8-inch stretch from our shear. This is coming down, clamping down. Here we go with a 149-degree bend. This is to make our first hem at the bottom of our kick out. This is a very crucial point here with the difference between a CNC and a handbrake. See on the handbrake where the ends I have to tighten each side and they actually smash to a closed hem. With the CNC, I create a full open hem all the way across. And our back gauge has a perfect replica, so every single piece of flashing is perfectly bent. As you can see, our y-axis, it bends perfectly 45. And that is a perfectly reproduced piece of flashing every time. Here we go, there's a 90-degree. I'm gonna take it, flip it at 180. And then again here, this is the style D, so I'm going to make an open hem all the way across. So this is a 149-degree bend. Now, as you can see, we're almost there. We got one more step. Place it in there. And that is one of the most crucial parts, the difference between a CNC and a handbrake. Not sure if you can see that, but there is a perfect open hem all the way across this drip edge, no pinch points. Therefore, we have a straight piece of metal, where on the handbrake you'll see these ends get crushed shut. The middle is open and then again crushed shut, creating a frown on the edge of your roof. That's why choosing the right supplier with proper equipment is crucial to a perfect install every time. Thank you for watching Gunnison Sheet Metal and Axtile Mountain Construction.